Okay, I'm getting tired of seeing me around my weight. Oh, wrist. No, 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 no! Okay, I'll work with that. Hey guys, welcome back. Got another magnet fishing video today, and today we are out at the Montgomery County State Lake, and we've been out here for a few hours out fishing, but no luck. We never really have much luck out here anyhow, but we want to try a little bit of magnet fishing. One of these docks, the other one's being occupied, so we're not going to bother them. And we're also going to try to hit one of these boxes. We're going to see if we can come out, be able to pull the truck off far enough off the road to where we can get down in there and try it out, and see what we might be able to pull up out here. So I'm going to have you guys, I'm going to have the GoPro mounted up top again, and going to see what's here. So everyone else is already down here, so they're enjoying a little bit of the water. Oh, there's another dock over there we might go try. There's another dock over there that we might go and try. Spend a little bit of time here. We'll run over there and try that one out. Oh, I do have little scrapers too, so got this from, I can't remember where the heck I got this from. Alright, so there wasn't much here. The thing is, I don't think there's very many people that come out here fishing with boats. So we're gonna go try this other dock that we just spotted across the way. So then we're gonna hit that box and go from there, see what happens. Alright, so what does this little shelf right here look like? Very rocky, especially over there. Magnets and rocks, if you watch any of my other videos, you know magnets and rocks do not mix at all. Come on.
Dad.
Let's go over here. What?
Dad, I saw a bird floating on, flying up. I see it.
Yeah.
Dad, look, I see it.
Way over there by that truck. Little black speck.
I can't see it.
Hi. Oh, your legs are probably too short. Your mama's isn't though. Okay, so this one I'm just going to do a drop and just a little do that instead of dragging it, because there's, as you can tell, there's rocks all up and down the shore, so chances are there's rocks down around this. So I'm not going to do any dragging on this one because I don't want to risk getting it caught. Yeah, there's a lot of rocks down in there. Yeah, it's just rocks I'm hitting and making bubbles. Man, look at all those water bugs. Hey, got a nut, some hooks, washer, a little lure on there. See that?
You got a hook on here.
Yep. Whoa. Here, Bubba, put onto this. Don't drop it.
Okay. Now what happened? Maybe someone hook. Whoa.
We just got ourselves a little stringer.
Daddy, we first
Alright, huh?
Yeah, I can play this nasty water.
It's not, oh, that's not nasty water.
But there's dirt inside of
It's
it.
fine. A little bit of dirt ain't gonna hurt you. You can drink it if you want. fish and stuff. Couple of beer bottle caps, Coronas, one Corona, and I don't know what this other one is.
You want to see? Can I see them?
Bond, ND, Blue. Got a battery that time. Alright, so didn't have much luck there. Several other things that it just made it, after just dropping it and lifting it up so many times, it felt like it was heavier than what it was. So I brought it up several times thinking it was something on there, heavy, somewhat heavy, so that didn't work out. So we're gonna hit one more spot and we're gonna call it a video. And this is out on the road. It's a little box culvert for the road. So I'm gonna have to kind of probably just be me in this next little clip, because since there's gonna be traffic on there and everything, I don't really want to have the kids out there. So let's get to it. All right, so this little box is just right down here. Found a little spot to be able to park the truck off the road. The rest of the group's in there. So I'm not gonna be here for too long. Enough to toss both sides real quick and stop. So I'll try it out. I'm sure I'll be getting some funky looks while I'm here, which ain't gonna bother me any. People already give me funny looks. Hey. A piece of rebar. Hey, and a fishing lure. Haha. That is. Okay, I'm getting tired of seeing me around my weight. Oh, wrist. No, 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 no! Okay, I'll work with that. Sounds a little light, but let's check it out. So, I have some beer bottles, a cap, piece of rebar, plenty of lures, hooks, got a battery, little nut, a little washer. So not a whole lot. Nothing to be too terribly happy about, but oh well, it is what it is. So moving on to the video verse. This is in 1 John chapter 2, verses 7 through 11. It says, "Dear friends, I am not writing you a new command, but an old command that you have had from the beginning. The old command is the word you have heard. Yet I am writing you a new command, which is true in him and in you, because the darkness is passing away, and the true light is already shining. The one who says he is in the light, but hates his brother or his sister, is in the darkness until now. The one who loves his brother and his sister remains in the light, and there is no cause for stumbling in him. But the one who hates his brother or his sister is in the darkness, walks in the darkness, and doesn't know where he's going, because the darkness has blinded his eyes." And that is 1 John chapter 2, verses 7 through 11. And I'll see you guys in the next one.